Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lentil soup in your slow cooker, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of dry lentils, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and a few key vegetables. Make sure to have 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget your seasonings like 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric to build a rich flavor profile. Now, let's get everything ready for the slow cooker. Begin by rinsing your 1 cup of dry lentils under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Next, in a separate pan, sauté your chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Finally, add 2 cloves of minced garlic to the vegetables for the last minute of sautéing to release their wonderful aroma. It's time to bring everything together in your slow cooker. Carefully transfer the rinsed lentils and the sautéed vegetable mixture into the pot. Then, pour in the 6 cups of vegetable broth, making sure all the ingredients are well submerged. Now, set your slow cooker to the low setting for 6 to 8 hours, or if you are in a hurry, cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. The goal is perfectly tender lentils. Your delicious lentil soup is almost ready. For a bright finish, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. This adds a wonderful freshness. Now, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Serve your warm, hearty, and nutritious lentil soup with a slice of crusty bread or a simple side salad for a complete meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.